feet. Only the plate, everything. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers, and today we have cooked a special dish. It is not special dish, simple only. This is dinner. Okay, see this one. See, actually this is chicken feet, saka in ILOCANO, right? And then
ADIDAS.
huh?
ADIDAS.
ADIDAS. ADIDAS.
Yeah, we call that one ADIDAS.
This one. This is.
Ano yan?
Wait, I will tell you. Paria leaf.
No,
Pumpkin leaf.
saluyot.
Saluyat. Okay. Okay, they put in the sigang, right? This one udang. Udang in ILOCANO. Actually, this is river, freshwater prawns, small prawns. They catch there. And some utong, sitaw,
Snake.
snake beans.
And ano yan? This one.
Tamarind.
Ano yung Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Sampalok.
Sampalok.
In Ilocano? Salamagi.
Salamagi. Sorry guys. Today I'm not feeling well. Let me taste. See here. Actually this rice. Today this rice is very sticky.
Yeah.
I like this, but none I don't like. Okay. But see here. Chicken feet. Okay. I will eat first. This is soy mixed with the chicken feet, everything,
Because this
and
one
some
is
garlic.
Adobo.
Adobo saka.
ADIDAS.
ADIDAS.
Adobong ADIDAS.
Adobo ADIDAS. Same like a shoe company. ADIDAS. Okay. First I will eat the rice without taste. It's very tasty.
It's soft for one.
Yeah, it's soft only, but actually I cannot bite too much. See, actually one teeth is shaking. Soft. Soft. But here they won't cook too much. Like little bit half cook only, right? Everything. You can take it everything. Here only I start eating like this. But in Chennai, in India, sorry,
Excuse me po.
I cannot eat. Excuse me, po.
You know that one?
The TV,
The anchor.
TV.
Mike
they read,
Enriquez.
they will
Excuse.
excuse me, po. Nice. I cannot eat too much. I'm not feeling well also. I'm going to eat the sitaw.
This one is the kabatiti. This one. So this is
Oh,
the bato.
like rich got something like that. Nice. I can feel the sourness. Hey, mosquito. Hey. It's already getting night, and today the climate is very hot. Cannot, right? Yesterday at least okay. Okay. You want to eat?
No.
She does not eat. Okay.
Later I'm gonna
Later she will eat. And I have to finish up, and I'm feeling not good today because too much cough. I need to eat medicine. I feel vomiting sensation also, I don't know why. And I have to finish up everything, and I need to take some nap. Okay? And also, thank you for watching our YouTube Twohungry Travelers. and thank you everyone who are all subscribing and also supporting, and I hope everyone is watching now. That makes me very happy, and thank you guys. Please support our channel. Without you we cannot able to make it this much. Okay, you are the one we can able to survive. it's
It's our
it's
stepping stone.
yeah, you guys are the only one. We can make more and more. I'm thinking a lot of content, but I'm not sure how I can make it very nice. And,
You
very
give
good.
us some
If you guys any content
advice or
advices, or give us a comment, share, and also whatever it is in our Facebook or YouTube channel, you please share. And thank you guys once again. Please support our YouTube Twohungry Travelers and subscribe, and also you will see on a share and comment, and our Facebook channel is pages Twohungry Travel same. And thank you guys. God bless everyone. Bye.